this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click the subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you guys so much. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, it's going to be just like a little mini haul. Not really even a haul. It's just some new stuff that I bought that I want to show y'all. But the main part of the video will be like a decorate with me. So I want to show you guys how I decorate for fall time. Fall is like my all-time favorite holiday. I prefer the traditional fall colors of like creams, orange, browns, and stuff like that. So I have both of my bins downstairs. I usually do the living room and the dining room. This year I think I'm just going to do the living room, only because we got a lot of other stuff in our dining room, and I just feel like it's either going to be fall themed or nothing. It's not going to be fall themed, and then a lot of other random stuff that we got going on. So I think I just may be doing the living room today, and also some stuff from I mean, like for the front door and the yard, etc. So the first thing that I got was, here it is. I got 3 of these. These were $6.97 at Walmart, and I'm gonna put these in like the front flower bed to the right hand side of the house. And then the next thing was I got a couple of pumpkins. Uh-oh, I lost one of them, but they pretty much look the same. But this was only $5.98 from Walmart, so I got like 3 of these, I think, because these are so expensive. Like, I love Hobby Lobby, but their fall stuff is just like way too expensive. And at home, their stuff was expensive. So I think these, I'm gonna use these to go on top of like the hay, you know, to add a little element to it or whatever. So next I got this. So I got 2 of these actually, and they were only $14.97 a piece. And I plan on putting these, I have 2 large planters that frame my front door, so I plan on putting these in the planters. Well, actually, okay, so I'm gonna leave this right here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So let's go to Michael's. At Michael's, I got a lot of garland. I can't remember how many I bought, because I didn't know if I was gonna just put some around the door. I'm not sure. So I'm thinking about putting some around the door, and also using some as a base for this to sit on when I put it in the planter. So I got 4 of these. They were $14.99, but I think they were like 40% off. So I didn't pay that much for them. And then the other stuff that I got from Michael's was, it was like what is this? A lot of silk flowers to make a fall arrangement. And I think I'm going to make the fall arrangement in my flower bed. I have I have real flowers in my flower bed. However, I have one pot where the flowers are kind of like out of season, dying. I think I'm gonna just take those out and make an artificial arrangement for that one that's in the middle. I think it's gonna be really pretty. So I just bought a lot of different types of silk flowers at Michael's. I thought they were a little pricey, but I'll probably do the same thing for the next couple of years with them. So I was like, whatever. I think that's pretty much all I got. I will say that if you're looking for silk flowers at a cheaper price, I was able to find some at Walmart. I don't think I brought the bag up here. They weren't as full as the ones at Michael's, but I felt like the price was a lot cheaper. But Walmart is pretty much like almost out of everything fall, so good luck trying to find any. But yeah, so that's what I have. So let's just go ahead and go downstairs and get started. Okay, y'all, so this is the first bin, and I think most of this stuff is just, oops, let me do that, like pillows, and yeah, so these are pillows. So let me go ahead and pull them out. So this picture, I think I got this picture at home, and these pillows, like all the pillows that are in here, and this one, I got these at Home Goods, and I got this at Walmart. Let me see what else is in here. Oh, and then these blankets. So these are like, not really blankets, you know, like throws. I think they're like 50 by 60, 50 inches by 60 inches. But anyways, I got these at Marshall's as well. So in this bin, I have, these are window treatments, curtains, whatever you want to call them. I got these at Amazon. And another throw, because I think I put 2 throws. I usually do 2 throws on the couch, I believe. This is a throw. This is a throw. I got all the throws I got at Home Goods. But I think these are just some that I'll probably leave out for decoration, like if we have company or something like that. What else? Oh, forgot I had this. This is a cute little apron that I got from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I got that from Hobby Lobby. And so these fall wreaths I got from Home Goods. As you can see, I shop a lot at Home Goods. And I put these on the wall. It's 2 of them. You'll see where I put them. And I think all of this garland and stuff I got from Michael's. I'm pretty sure I got this little thing, which I think I used to sit this outside in the chair, but I no longer have chairs on the front porch anymore, so I don't know if I'm going to use these. I think I'm going to just figure it out as I go. And even this, I think this is a little sign. Some stuff I'm going to use, some stuff I'm not. I got this at home. Another little straw person that I usually put outside. I got from not Home Goods, Hobby Lobby. And these pretty pumpkins. I got these at Hobby Lobby as well, I believe. So yeah, I think some of the other stuff that's in here is really no point in showing because it is for the dining room, and I'm not gonna do the dining room this year because we have a lot of stuff in the dining room. But I think that's it for this one. Okay, so this is the final look for the living room. I was able to finally get those right. And so this is the fireplace. Excuse my wash machine. Okay, here's the final look for what I have over here in my flower bed. So the only thing that I didn't do is this plant right here. I'm going to take out. I was going to take everything out and do an actual like fall flower arrangement in it. So I have to do that another time because it's late and the mosquitoes are eating me alive. Sorry y'all, but I had to my camera died. But anyway, that's the end. I really appreciate y'all. As you can see, I have on different clothes, so it's the next day. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. So until next time, bye.